Insulting others. A narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 5023, warns that a sign of hypocrisy is insulting others, especially when they disagree with them. When speaking to others, a Muslim should never use foul and sinful language. It is important to remember that it only takes a single sinful word to cause a person to plummet into hell on Judgment Day. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2314. A Muslim should adhere to the tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, by replying evil words with kind words, or they should simply remain silent and ignore the person who utters foul language. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.